Everyone, welcome to this video for faculty created to navigate TK20 in the College of Education. In this video, we're going to go over how to send assignments to a course and to your students within that course. So before we go into that, a brief overview on the process we're going to follow. The first step would be to check if that assignment has already been favorited, which there's a good chance it is if you have ever sent that assignment out to students before. If not, we'll go over how to first get it from the general library into your favorite library. Once that's done, you can actually go ahead and start sending out the assignment after having chosen the template, the assessors, the due date, and we'll go over some more advanced options that are there as well. So again, the first thing would be to log into TK20. You can do that using the link on our website or on the user manual or via My Apps on Outlook. Once you have logged in, and again, the username will be your 10-digit student ID and your password will be your MabID password. Once you're logged in, what you can do is you can navigate to courses over here, and we go to My Templates, right? And we want to just check if the assignment we're looking for has already been favorited and is within this area. If it isn't, what we would then do is we would go to libraries, which is the overall UTA College of Ed library, and we would click on templates. Then we can see kind of all of the assignments that are already created and available for you to use. In this case, let's just say we're doing something in the principalship program, so we can look for the assignment that we need. And you can see that once you do start it, a star icon shows up, but you would just click on the checkbox over there and then the star up over here saying make available, and then what that'll do is make the little star icon here and move it from this library to My Templates. So now we've moved it from the general library to our templates. What we then want to do is we're going to go again to courses, and then we're going to go into coursework, where already it'll open in assignments and we can click send, right? So from the home page, you would go to courses, then coursework, then assignments, and then click on send. Over here, we get a page where it tells you to choose the course. This, of course, you can just choose the course that that assignment needs to go to. If for whatever reason you do not see your course on this list or you do not see your section on this list, what you can do is you can press this green plus over here saying add new, and you can search for whatever the course may be, whether it's EDAD, ELPS, and type in the section number and the course number. And what would then happen is you get a couple of results. You just check the box and you would say add, and what that would do is then add it to this page over here. So again, we just take, for example, that this is a EDAD 5360 assignment that we need to send out. So we would click on that box to check it. We click next. Then we get taken to this page where it says select template. And basically what we see here is the same templates that we had moved to My Templates, or the starred ones. So again, we can just navigate from here. And again, this isn't accurate, but say the assignment for this course was the campus budget project. So we would click on this. And just very quickly before we move on, what you want to do here is you actually want to copy this name so that later on when we get to the send page, we're going to need that to be pasted as well. So we've selected the course number, we've selected the template we need to use, we've copied the name of the template. So again, we click on next and we get taken to a page where it says select assessors. Typically this would be yourself, but if for whatever reason that assignment does have extra assessors, you'd follow the same process as we did in selecting a course. You can just click on the green plus. You can search for the faculty member or anyone else who would be an assessor in that case. Search for them, check their name, and then click on OK, and they will get added to this page. So here I'm just going to click Dr. Leverett since this is her course, and then we're going to click on next again where we get taken to this final page. The first thing we want to do here is the name that we copied from page number 2. We just want to paste that in, so the formatting is going to be the same, and there's not going to be any discrepancies between what the student sees and what we expect them to see. You can also select a due date and time. This is as per your preference. If you would like to set a due date that's in line with your Canvas dates or the actual due dates, you can. If you would like to just set it to a later time, you could do that as well, because the due dates would be taken from the alternate submission. So again, we just select the due date, and then you can go through some of the more advanced options, like does the student get an email when this assignment is sent out? Are there any weights for the grades? Are there do you want to send out the assignment at a later date, and things of this sort. Typically, you would not have to do anything in here. You would just type the name, paste the name, select the date and time, and maybe just select send email to the students. And that's it. That's the entire process. So we would just click on send over here, and any students who were in that 5360 course will automatically now have access to this assignment, and they will also get an email notification saying that this assignment is now available for them to submit their documents in. Again, I hope this was helpful. If you do have any further questions, you can refer to our user manual. And of course, you're more than welcome to always contact us at tk20@uta.edu, and we will do our best to get back to you as soon as possible with the resolution. So thanks for watching, guys, and Mav up.